Right out of the gate, fear is gripping the market today at just 30 out of 100 on the Fear and Greed Index. That tells you everything about the sentiment we're seeing in this open. The major indices are showing mixed conviction this morning. The S&P 500 is up just 28 basis points at 0.39%. The Nasdaq is matching that move, also up 0.39% and sitting at 25,074. But look at the Russell 2000. That's the real early leader right now, jumping 1.32%. Small caps are outperforming, and that's a classic risk-on signal. The Dow Jones is leading the charge up 0.87%, suggesting cyclical stocks and financials are finding buyers early. Now let's talk about the biggest movers, because this is where the real story is. Salesforce is absolutely crushing it right out of the gate, up 4.36% on heavy volume. This is your opening momentum play. Enterprise software is getting love right now. Google is following suit with a 2.49% pop, and Microsoft is right there with 2.47%. These big tech names are carrying the market's water this morning. But here's the catch. While the mega caps are rallying, semiconductors are getting absolutely hammered. AMD is down 3.35%, which is brutal for an early mover. That's the biggest loser we're tracking so far. Nvidia is also struggling, down 2.45% despite analyst enthusiasm. 64 analysts rate it a buy. This disconnect matters because it suggests profit-taking after the recent chip rally, or maybe concerns about valuation at current levels. Energy stocks are also in the red. Chevron is down 1.67%, and ExxonMobil is off 1.36%. That weakness in energy alongside semiconductor pressure tells us rotation is happening out of high beta names. Here's what the analyst community is saying. Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Meta, and Nvidia all have overwhelming buy ratings from the street. 70% of analysts rate Amazon a buy. That's nearly unanimous support, yet we're seeing execution selling in semis anyway. Watch Nvidia and AMD closely over the next hour. That semiconductor sector performance will dictate whether this rally has legs